Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify product bundles. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to set up Shopify product bundles, what I suggest is you use an integration called product bundles. So you're gonna search that in here and then make sure you search that in your app store. Once you're there, you can see we have various stuff going on in here, and you're gonna simply get a product bundler, like for example this one. You can opt different bundle types, multiple discount options, and support for all themes. So you can get this, and you can also mix and match bundles. Customers can combine products, separate products with sections, and set up tiered account and discounts. So make sure to give a try to these, and eventually we'll be able to set up Shopify product bundles. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.